Across Oklahoma, wildfires continue to burn. Governor Kevin Stitt has declared a state of emergency in multiple counties, and several other states have sent in resources to help. Arkansas sent 6 firefighters to help with suppression efforts in eastern Oklahoma. Other states in the Pacific Northwest, like Washington and Montana, have also sent crews to help.
Currently, we have 7 out-of-state resources, 3 on the Montana engine, 3 on the Warm Springs engine, and then we have a task force leader that's from Washington.
The Oklahoma Forestry Service says their crews helped fight more than 19 fires today. The largest fire in Beaver County surpassed 280,000 acres burned. They say it's currently about 20% contained. 4 other fires have burned more than 1,000 acres.